What's up, YouTube? Today I want to show you how to remove the driver's side window switch from your 1997 through 2001 Toyota Camry. This is a very simple process. The only thing you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. So what you're going to want to do is go from the back and get under it, and then just pry up like that, and then push back, and then you can see it's loose. Then you're just going to, on the bottom here, there is a push tab. You're going to push that down and then just pull the connector out. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. So I'm going to attempt to use a screwdriver. Just push in and pull it out. This is very difficult with one hand, but a little tip you might use is to put the screwdriver in right in the middle there instead of at the bottom, in the middle. So like right there. And then that actually made it a lot easier. And then it just comes straight up. So instead of, well, after you do it at the bottom there, you can do it in the middle, and then it'll come straight out then. And yeah, that's how you remove the window switch. And to put it back in, just take the connector and plug it back in there like that. Make sure it goes all the way to the end of the little metal push connectors there. And then to reinstall it, all you have to do is put the nose in first, push up, and then push down at the back here, like that, and then it's in. Mine is a little deformed, but yeah. And then just put your key in, and make sure it works. So everything works. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below suggestions on other how-to videos / any video that I could do with a 1991 through, or 1998 through 2001 Toyota Camry. I have a 4th gen Camry and a 4.5 gen Camry. That one is my parts car because it has no title, but I can still make videos on it. And this one, obviously, starts right up. But thanks for watching. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.